Hi! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video is I am going to cook another binignit Bisaya. So last time I cooked binignit pero hindi pa medyo first time ko kasing mag-cook noon. So today it's my second time to cook binignit and I have the ingredients with me. So bear with me. So let us start. So these are the ingredients for our binignit Bisaya. Sago, saging saba, yung first coconut water, first piga. Second piga, we have dalandang, malagkit, brown sugar, kamote, langka, and our condensed milk. So, konti lang guys kasi konti rin naman kaming kakain. So, first is ito yung pangalawang piga ng coconut milk. So, ilalagay muna natin dito sa kaldero na may tubig. So first is kailangan nyo itong pakuluin. So takpan muna natin. So be back later pag kumulo na. Next, so medyo luto na yung malakit at landang kamote. Lagay natin ang kamote. Luto na atong kamot ay binignit Bisaya. And we're going to give this to Lolo. Kalulo de? Lolo mo din. Luto na atong binignit Bisaya. So, this is my binignit. And we're going to taste our binignit. Finally, luto na ang ating binignit. So, here is our binignit. As you can see kanina. So, I'm going to taste our binignit. Mainit-init pa siya, guys. Sarap-sarap siya, guys.
Arap sap sap, arap sap sap, oh guli guli guli.
Nya, kumusta man?
Mama.
Kami? So, mga namin ko guys. Again, mga namin ni Rain of Binignit. Lami siya. Kapitan ako ma-perfect. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Janice Gabika. Hope you like my video. Bye!